Quick morning walk around and update. Got everything that was in the front yard there all cleaned up. Got everything but the roof and the back porch blown off. We'll get those later. Wanted to get everything cleared off so I could mow. Here's what we got for wood. This is just the black locust that I saved. Here, everything that was under here was from the pond out back. Bunch of cherry, some smaller locusts, all going to my buddy. Bunch more chunks back here. Got to get this top here out of the woods. Broke off up there. Got a couple more leaners. Those will wait, and then they'll drop right on the wood pile. Yep, got the boat trailer and the 25-foot trailer out. Barn looks all good. No damage up there. There was 3 black locusts that were together in here. Then got this elm. That's probably about 28 inch at the base. There was a black locust right here with it. So all that was on the barn and the trailers. Still got a couple locusts. Mulberry in there. Narrow ways. I don't know, 25 foot or so. Had some steel that I had bought last year. Was going to put on the my workshop area. It actually looks like it came out pretty decent. Doesn't even look damaged. A little warped, some dents in it. I can see a couple, but not nothing major. It was sitting right here. Root plates lifted on this locust. She's going to need to go. This one here, it's going to need to go. That one's a little bigger. Had a cherry here. That one was over in the storm. Another one up in the flower bed here. That one, the top was broke off. Another one here. That one I ripped the root ball out. Plus 3 locusts over here. One was a double technically. Then there was one that was here that ripped the root ball out. We'll get the grinder up in here, or a grinder, rent one. Get that up in here. This locust was leaning up into these tops. Stood that back up a little bit, and then cut a thin hinge on this, on the low side, and left it fat on the wide, and dropped that one right over here. This was this is his wellhead, neighbor's wellhead. So we lost like 3 total, including this one that's still standing here. Today I'm going to clean some of the dirt off all this and see if I can't get that one out. This guy's still pretty stuck. Doubt that one's going anywhere. Still got this guy over the wire. Root plates lifted on the one it's leaning into. Next one here, sitting on the wire. This one's also sitting on the wire. Haven't really looked around too much in there yet. Neighbor ended up having the gable and 4 trusses broken on his barn. Sorry if the sun's hitting the screen there. He's been doing a great job cleaning his stuff up. Yeah, he's got a bunch of stuff down. I'll clean this guy up, strip some of these branches off the low side with the pole saw, and already got a chain on it, ready to go. The skidding winch, just got 1 branch. Get those, like I said, get those lower branches off, and then get the need to trim this guy out. I have the pole saw over here, but you can see this 1 branch curves down right there. I want to cut that off so it pulls through nice, and hopefully I don't pull his elm tree down too. We've got enough cleanup here. Cleaned my maple up. That's where that the top was broke out of that. That's where the hornet's nest was at that we shot up. Had this big 3-spar cherry. One of them, this one that's broke off, dropped over behind his barn. Before they reset my power lines yesterday, I dropped this guy. It had a bunch of hangers in it, big hangers, and I don't know, that's probably 30 inches on the stump there. Not sure whether we can get this one into the neighbor's yard over here or not. Obviously that locust right here is broke out, so that tree will probably go. You can kind of see the big tree that landed on his barn. It's like a, I don't know, 28-inch locust, pretty big one. So I still got scads of stuff in the woods over here. Big cherry over here. We burned all the brush. My neighbor was bringing his over. The brush, or the bonfire pit, was a busy place this weekend. Still got a, I think I'll probably clear this out at least so we can see back here today. It's where things are at. Have a great day, guys.